Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Knight Hunter Last War. This exciting event allows you to transform into a powerful hunter during designated times. As a Blood Knight Hunter, your base and name are disguised, and you receive special buffs, including increased virus resistance and troop morale. Your main goal is to hunt down other transformed commanders across different servers, engaging in thrilling combat to earn valuable points and rewards. To become a Blood Knight Hunter, first ensure you have unlocked the specific profession skill, typically available from profession level 50. Once the Blood Knight descends, you must activate this skill within the first 10 minutes of the 30-minute event window. Remember to recall all your troops to your base before initiating the transformation. This crucial skill has a cooldown of approximately 72 hours, so plan your participation carefully. As a Blood Knight Hunter, you have 3 defeat chances before being eliminated from the event. Utilize your Hunter Teleport skill, which grants 1 relocation charge per minute, for quick cross-server migrations to evade or pursue targets. Actively seek out and attack other Blood Knight Hunters to earn hunting points. Eliminating an opponent grants an additional point and allows you to plunder all hunting points they held at that time. As the Blood Knight progresses, some war zones will become sealed, preventing further hunting in those areas. You must relocate to an unsealed war zone before the countdown ends to avoid elimination. Aim to survive for at least 7 minutes to secure valuable survival time rewards. The top-ranked Blood Knight Hunters, based on hunting points and total survival time, will receive exclusive titles, tactical cards, and other significant in-game items.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.